to share your location with someone on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Click on the chat where you want to share your location. After you click on the chat, simply click on the clip-like icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on the clip-like icon here, you'll find location. Simply click on location and here. After you've selected the location you want to share live location, press on share live location. You can also search by clicking on the magnifying glass-like option. I'm simply selecting share live location. It will open all these options. Select the time. You can add comments if you want. To send, press on the arrow and your live location will be shared. This is how to share your location with someone on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.